Hi everybody. I'm just gonna. So I've got a couple of problems with this camera that I bought last year. It's a lovely camera. It's a Canon xa40, yeah, 4K, 20 times optical zoom. It's a lovely camera. It works on 2 SD cards. You have a little door here, 2 SD cards in there, which are 128 gigabyte each, and that's what obviously you record on. So you can adjust these. You can either have recording onto one, or you can have them recording onto both, so you've got a backup, or you can have it recording onto one, and then when that's full up, it automatically goes to the second one. So that's that. You got this nice screen there. You got it gives you your mic levels there, which is so handy. You need to know, if you're being recorded properly when you're out. Anyway, that's battery goes there. Microphones. It's got the small port there for the conventional mic, which is I've got. I've got my little lavalier mic there. This is a lovely little thing. So it's got the port there for any sort of microphone. You can have this. You can mount a microphone on the top there. There's a bracket that goes here, which I've taken off at the moment because I stick a monitor on here. That houses a microphone with the XLR coupling, which you can put on there, and then you can adjust it all by this volume there. You've got volume control there. You've got line in mic and mic with phantom power. So all good. So anyway, that's socket there for the lavalier mic. You've got socket there for headphones, and socket here for your HDMI lead. And we put that in there. That's for the monitor. Monitor's on standby. We'll switch the camera on. Camera's on. Switch the monitor on. Lovely monitor this is. And that's all we get. There's no signal. Now I've tried different leads. I've tried another monitor. So I just assume that this HDMI port is not active at the moment. Let's just undo that. So putting the battery down. So I just assume that's not active. So what I wonder, because I've searched high and low on YouTube for someone to demonstrate this camera to me, and there doesn't seem to be anyone doing it for some reason on this camera. Plenty of people talk about it, like what I'm doing at the moment, but nobody explains everything to you. So I'm just hoping there's someone out there that can help me on this. Is there? I've been all through the menu and I can't find anything that says to switch on that HDMI port. I can't find it at all. So failing that, I mean, the camera's damn good. It's a real nice camera. It's lovely and comfortable. You've got this handle. This is removable, this handle. You can take that off if you don't want it on there. But it's just, it fits in your hand beautiful. It's so lovely. So if anybody can help me with this, got any suggestions why this is not live, this port, I'll be grateful. I'll be grateful. Now I've got a bit of information because I was just watching a video on this by the tech geezer. I don't know what he's called. He talks about these cameras and he gives you a rundown what he thinks of them. And he gives you the good bits and the bad bits. Now one of his bad bits was that when you put one of these shoes on, this is a mount shoe for your tripod. You put it on the bottom of your camera, slides into your tripod, nice and secure. Now, he says, this tech geezer says, when that's on, you can't get to the switch, which is there for the battery. Well, as you can see, it's on, and so what he's not thought about, this geezer, which surprises me because, you know, if you're up on this photography lark, you should know it. This is just a little bit of savvy in it, really. Right, so I've put it how he had it, and because you can't get to the switch to release that battery. But if you just slide it forward, tighten the screw up. I'll use a washer loop to tighten the screw up. Don't over tighten that, by the way, because it rips it out the bottom of the camera. So you can get to the battery switch. You haven't got to take the plate off, have you? Or, failing that, if you don't like that idea, put one of these on. This is a quick release plate. You fit that to the bottom of your camera. That's your plate. So you put your plate in your tripod. That's bolted to that. That's on the bottom of your camera. Just take that off. I won't bolt it on because I should be here all night. But it just gives you the idea. So you put it on there. If you can see that okay. That's not interfering with anything underneath that camera. And then all that does, you just put that on there with a, you can buy all these things at Amazon. They do a good range of this sort of stuff on Amazon. And yeah, you just put it on there. And then goes in there. This is a quick release one. That's locked in now. I hope I'm still in frame here. Yes, that's locked in. And these are good little tools. I use these on all my cameras because I've got 3 good tripods, not Mickey Mouse ones. I've got 3 good tripods. So they're all fitted with these, fitted with this, and then fitted with one of these on top. So then I can interchange. This one I've taken off the camera, this one. What you can do, if you see these little screws, well, they stop it when it's in. They stop it sliding right off. Now I tend to take one of them off, so then you haven't got to open this so wide. Well, I don't use this one, but the other ones I just got a thumb screw. So I take one of these up, then you can just slide it in like that. Which is better than having to wind this open all the time. Not this one, but the other ones. Here, there's one. I've got one here. This is a smaller one. Does the same job, but it depends on the size of your camera. You see, it's got two. But if you take one of them off, you can take both off if you want. Doesn't matter, and then you can slide it out any way you want, either that way or that way. So that's just an option. So I don't know how this technical chap, I don't know how he's not thought this one out for himself if he's that technical. He might be watching this and calling me all the names under the sun. So I put this on, I have this on there just so it clears the switch, the catch there. I don't know if this is in view. It's not in view, is it? What I'm doing here. I've just, as you can see, I've put that just in front of that switch. You just push that, it's sprung loaded that, you just push it in like that and it releases the battery. The battery just slides out in. And that's it. And I'll put that on there. A bit really wonky. So if anybody can help me with my power to my HDMI lead out, I'll be very grateful. Right, I think I've shown you now. They do so many of these, all different numbers and names, and don't know where you are with these cameras lately. Okay, that'll do for now, folks.